Good morning. So I just wanted to get on here and make this little video really quick because I know that all of this has been really difficult. It's been difficult for me and I'm trying. So I'm going to try to make this less complicated the next time I upload a lesson. Because I realize that getting into the SharePoint document has been really difficult. So what I want to show you right now is what you have access to through Clever. So we're going to go ahead and log into Clever. You just use your normal username. All right, so what we're going to do right now is we are going to rearrange our favorites. So at the top, I have some of my commonly used icons. Now, let's say that I don't want this as my favorite. If you hover over the icon, you'll see a little heart, and so that just means it's your favorite. So if I do not want this icon as my favorite, I will unclick the heart, and then it'll disappear. However, I do use Common Lit, so I'm going to make that my favorite again. We may be utilizing Common Lit more as we continue our e-learning journey. A few things that I do want you to add to your favorites will be Edsby. So go ahead and find Edsby if you're doing this with me. I would suggest opening up Clever on your own and just keeping this video to the side so that you can pause this video and do this with me. So I'm going to make Clever my favorite, or I'm sorry, Edsby my favorite. Common Lit is going to be my favorite. Oh. So I'm just going to hover over that and click on the hearts. You may also want to make Edsby your favorite or iReady your favorite because we do use iReady. And remember, you're still expected to do your 45 minutes of iReady each week. Myon. You will be using Myon. So many of the stories that we're going to be reading will be on Myon. So if you ever cannot access them, go ahead and pull them up on Myon. Office 365. So this is what I wanted to talk to you about today. So I'm going to make that my favorite, and now it's up here. So Office 365 is a really helpful tool because you can actually create Word documents and not have to save them onto your parents' computer. So when you do, whenever you use Office 365, you can create a document and it will stay saved on your Clever account. So let's say that today I created a document, a Word document, and I wanted to do an assignment on here. So I'm doing my work and then I want to save it. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to say File and Save. And it says save as, save a copy online. So what this means is that this will stay saved to your Office 365 account. So if I log off of this computer and go into a different computer, I can still get the same document. You can also download a copy to your computer. But today I just want to save a copy online, so you'll see something that says save as. I'm just going to name this random and then save it. So this will now be saved in my Clever account. So I'm going to log out of my Word document. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to open up Word again and find my random, and here it is. Under Recents, it says random. Now let's say I want to share it back with me. You want to share it, I've asked you to submit it back to me, so I'd go to share and then enter my name, and here I am. If you want to send it back to me, you can just press send, or at the bottom, I'll go back to it, you can also copy the link and send it back to me. So right here it says copy link, and you can type in my name and then create the link, copy the link, and then send it to me as well. So that's how you use Office 365. You can also do other things. You can make PowerPoints on Office 365. If I go up here, I could do PowerPoint. SharePoint is what we were using. I will try to make that a little bit easier next time. All right, and then getting into Edmodo. So I did share a class code with you for Edmodo. However, I realize that some of you are having issues logging on to Edmodo to create the account. So I'm going to show you what your screen may look like. So I'm going to log into mine really quick. So you say get started with as a student. You can sign up with Office 365. So if this is not working for you, click sign up with Office 365. And if you're already logged on to Clever, it should automatically log you in and you already have an account. So if you are still having trouble with this, please let me know. You can leave comments on this. There was a poll for you to complete. Here is the From Seed to Pine Tree. I may put up a poll on Friday to see what you guys would rather do. Would you rather just have everything done through Edsby? Would you rather do these quizzes on Edmodo and the polls? Remember, you can also record a video. So if you would rather do your submission through a video, you can go to Edsby and you can actually record a video to send back to me. Go here. And then you can submit that to me. So your video has to be less than 2 minutes if you're going to do it through Edsby. But hopefully that kind of clears everything up. Again, text me. You can have your parents text me. You can message me through Edsby. You can message me through Edmodo. Please let me know if you need help. I'm here to help you today. All right, guys, good luck with everything. So the expectation before I go is to complete the graphic organizer, have at least 2 text features, their purpose and how they help you, do the quiz on Edmodo, read for 45 minutes to an hour, and do your journal, and then 45 minutes of iWriting. And so that'll be it for this week. On Monday, we will get into the full swing of everything. I am doing grades, so if you go to, I don't know how it looks on yours, but you can look actually at your grades. Let me go back so I don't show everybody's grades on here. But you can actually go back and look at your grades for all of your assignments. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.